What's up, everyone? It's Tasia, aka Tay, rolling with Tay, and I'm here with Mr. Rogers.
That would be me.
We're at the Florida Inline Skate Marathon, and we met yesterday.
Yes, we did.
At the early packet pickup.
Yeah, they said you were a YouTuber, a podcaster, or something like that, I heard.
And then he told me to check him out, and
I got a little something.
Listen, can you introduce yourself?
So I go by the name of Mr. Rogers. I've been in skating most of my life. I'm in my, I've been at this 30 plus years. About 8 years ago, I started something called Inline Talk with Mr. Rogers. It's a place that we grew with a little bit of love. And don't be the problem, be the solution. We market U.S. roller skating brands, and our superstars are the U.S. speed skaters and the people in the sport that make this such a unique sport. So what you're doing is important to someone like me because you do similar work as me, but it's different. You know, your podcast. So what I do is I promote the skaters and the brands inside the sport, which what I felt was I didn't see that 10 years ago. So now I see them doing what I do. So now I'm doing some different stuff where I'm trying to bring the skating outside of the community and exposing it to people that may not skate or do recreational skating, derby, or just, people that are looking for a unique sport or a unique hobby. This is a healthy sport.
Yeah.
This is one of the most healthiest sports you can do because you utilize so many parts of your body.
Right.
So, that's what I do. I post about 20 times a day. I'm on Facebook, Inline Talk with Mr. Rogers. And it's just a group where we keep it positive. If I don't like what you're posting, I am deleting it. And that's who I am. Who are you? How you guys doing? Now, I'm a character. I am the DJ. I've been calling inline races for the last 18 years. I started in the Northeast, New York City 100K. I've been at 19 times. The DC race about 17 times. I did the Eastern Seaboard Series for over 10 years. And we can go on and on about what I've done, but I really don't think that's the key of this. I think the key is promoting the athletes and the sport itself. I'm not going nowhere. What I'm looking for is you in the back over their shoulder watching this podcast, and you over there too. We looking for you and you and you and you to come join us and skate with us and hang out with us and enjoy company with us. And the after party, the before party, the pickup, pack up. We were over there skating to the music. I was playing music. So that's what we doing. I'm just out here to promote positive growth in the sport, and I'm a neutral type of dude. This is skating.
Yeah.
There's other parts of my life. I do music, but skating is what saved me as a young boy, and hopefully the work I do is serving others.
Yeah.
Well,
thank you for it.
She said a short podcast. I got you, kid. I got you.
Listen, I want to say thank you for being the MC, especially at the New York City Marathon this year, because god dang it, the rain, the vibe. But when I heard you on the mic, I see everybody, I see the little kids. I'm out there. I'm like, I'm having a good time.
And when you come across that line, we go crazy for you. It doesn't matter if we know you or we don't. And it doesn't matter if I know the people standing around me. What I do is I micromanage that crowd to be like, yo, listen, we're going to encourage these skaters, show them some love. And I like to catch people. Like that first lap when you come by and you're like, yo, did I even want to do this? And we're like, yeah. And you feel like good inside. Because when I raced, shout out FILA, my official sponsors, SOS, CMS Plus. I skated for a long time in my life, and I remember good people. Real quick, Kelly Springer used to stand on the top of the hill at the Eastern Seaboard Series and coach his skaters. He coached the team called Synergy. But he always looked out for me, and I remember coming over the hill and Kelly always saying, you got this, John, because that's my first name. And, that's just one small memory of what I watched born leaders lead. Right. So I'm a leader. So I like to lead, and I'm using the example of the people that I looked up to, and I try to imitate them and do right. Right is so easy to do wrong. Right. Sometimes you got to think about.
Exactly.
So just throwing it out there. I'm a gangster.
Listen, yo. Thanks for encouraging.
No, number love. Keep kicking butt, do your thing.
Thanks for encouraging and being out there, and you heard it.
Yeah.
Come out there and skate.
That's
It's
it. Come
fun.
skate. It's fun. And if you don't want to skate first, bring the bike. Join them in the city. They in New York City. They got, you've got the Skaters Corner. They catch up. You can catch up at the Prospect Park. There's so many places you all catch up. Wednesday night skate. Every Wednesday night. It's social media tells you where to be, what time, what you're doing, whether you go in.
Yeah,
it's happening.
Every day.
Yeah, it's every day if you get in the right groups. There's all these groups, the Brooklyn group, the Junk. There's so many groups. And I love all you people. I hope a lot of my friends that I don't see do see this podcast because I don't get to the city for y'all enough. I'm in the city a lot, but I'm not with y'all enough. I apologize. But I love you all. I love what she's doing. Her vibe is amazing. The podcast, I don't know. I'm going to have to look into it now. We're going to share it on my page. No, I fake the funk when you can be real with it. We'll share her work on my page, and hopefully the 20,000 people I have tune into your work. Maybe she'll make some monetized money. And, that's what it's all about. You see how I worked out with your friends and see how it goes.
Yeah.
I'm out of here. Peace. One love.